not
Say
speaking.
it in Arabic. بسم الله. أشهد. أشهد.
I had to say?
Yes.
Ashhadu. But I want to say what we're going to say.
Yeah, we'll do it in
And,
English.
if you can explain it first.
Tell me first what I'm
Yes.
going to say. Yeah.
Yeah, I witness.
This is what we mean.
I witness there is no God but Allah, and Muhammad is the messenger of Allah. Yeah. They will do it.
Isa,
Is the messenger of God.
Isa, Abdullah ibn
صلى عليه وسلم. Ready? بسم الله. أشهد
أشهد
أن
أن
لا
لا
إله
إله
إلا
إلا
الله
الله
وأشهد
وأشهد
أن
أن
محمدا
محمدا
رسول
رسول
الله.
الله.
Welcome to Islam. Welcome to Islam.
الله يعافيك الله يثبت
الله
الله يثبت
الله
الله يثبت
الله
الله يثبت الله يكتب لك الثبات يا رب
الله
وينفع بك
الله
الدين
الله
وينفع بك الاسلام يا رب
الله
الله يكتب جزاك الله
الله